Good morning, guys. This morning I just woke up. It's 8:30. I am having some coffee and I'm checking out the workshop schedule. These are the classes I'm going to go to. Like Arrows in the Hands of the Warrior, the Once in a Year Plan, High School 101, and Preparing for College. It's crazy that I'm at that level now. Or, yeah, we're getting there again. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that and see what we're gonna do afterwards. I know, I'm sorry, I'm like half asleep. Let me drink my coffee and I'll come back and speak better to you guys. Good morning. Today's the actual day of the convention. Try not to be loud. Have my shirt on here and don't know how much recording I'm gonna get done. I'll most likely record some of the classes. I apologize in advance for any shaky footage. All right, so we'll see you down there. So I was sitting in the well-consumed class and I was sitting in the correct seat to win a planner. So I wanted the planner. I'll show you guys later. Now it's time for lunch. And we are in the cafeteria checking it out.
What is going on? And Generation Z, they are on to you. Do you know that there are more young people now coming to Christ than in previous generations for the last 4 generations?
At Records Bar having some after convention class drinks. You just threw me off.
I mean, I only took 5 hours of workshops straight.
Yeah,
Straight.
That's good. Yeah. My back. I took a nap.
You took a nap.
I took a nap. And this wonderful mom had the children. Thank you. Okay, this is the best game ever, guys. It's so funny. It's called Moose Masters. So we're having another game night tonight. Moms, dads, children.
You can't look at your
and
phone.
the boys are over there. Yeah?
You can't look at your phones. The new Moose rule is you can't say L-I-K-E.
What's up?
What's up?
That's what's up.
What's up? You just said it.
She still got you.
Dang it, Maria. I'm getting rid of it. It's not too bad.
That's what's up.
What's up?
That's what's up.